if you want to record, you can indicate. I will give you permission to record the Zoom meeting. Okay. Give me a second. People are still joining. Let me admit them. If you are joining the meeting now, please just mute your audio. Those that are coming late, mute your audio, please. Thank you. Thank you. Thank you. Your mic no good. I know they hear you. I'm not using any mic. I'm using my system. So you manage it like that. Put volume in your phone or whatever you're using to watch. All right. So if you have deposited Ethereum in your Trust wallet and you have deposited USDT or any of those pairs, let me know in the Zoom chat box. Okay, let me go straight to the Uniswap portal. Once you are on Uniswap, guys, if you want to test whether your address is qualified, once you come on the Uniswap platform, you see these 3 dots at the top of the right screen. You see this dot at the top, 3 dots at the top of your right screen. You click, then you come to claim. You come to claim. If you come to claim, you insert your address. You insert the address. If the address is qualified, it will show you to claim. It will show you to claim token. It will show you to claim token. If the address is not qualified, it will not show anything. So guys, that's how it works on the first stage. So the second stage is that those that are providing liquidity on the Ethereum pool are going to be rewarded. They are going to be the first to be rewarded. Okay, let me open the chat. Once you come onto the platform first, don't come to this pool. Let me give you a warning. Some persons will just log on to Uniswap and come to pool direct, then go and add liquidity and add anything that they want to add. You can add anything here that you want to add. But the proper way to do it for you to receive the bonus, the proper way for you to do it is to come to this Uni. You can see the Uni at the top of the screen here. You click on Uni. You click on Uni. First of all, you must have sent your Ethereum. You must have sent your Ethereum, your Ether into your wallet. Like as you can see, I have some Ethereum in this wallet. I have 1 Ethereum and I have the USDT I want to use. This is my second wallet. This is my second wallet. So if you want to know how I managed to collect more tokens, well, I'll just be using this one as an example for us to see. So this is the Ethereum I've sent into this wallet, and I want to do Ethereum USDT pair. I want to provide liquidity for Ethereum and USDT. So what you need to do is that once you log on to the Uniswap platform, once you are logged on to the Uniswap platform, you come straight to this Uni. Don't come to pool. Don't come direct and add liquidity. You may not, you may, let me not say, but you may. But this is the proper way. You may not receive it, but this is the proper way where you can get, where you can, it must not be MetaMask. Someone is asking if it must not be MetaMask. How can one be verified? That's, if you want to be verified, you must have used Uniswap before. You must have used Uniswap before. That's where you can be verified. Please continue. Verify what? All right, guys. All right. So, give me a second. So, guys, you come to this this Uni. You come to this side where they write Uni. Where they write Uni. Where they write Uni. You click on the Uni. All right. Once you click on the Uni, you come and select. As you can see, they have limited time for this offer to round up. You have limited time. Excuse me. They have limited time for this offer to last, and let me look at my phone. The one here is not correct. The one you are seeing here is not correct. My system have been on since in the morning, so I think the time is just going around. We have less than We have less than 5 hours for this next boom to happen. So
We have less than 5 hours.
Mute yourself. Please mute yourself as you are joining the Zoom. So guys, if you want to end now, we have less than 5 hours. That is 5 hours, 4 minutes for this next liquidity pool. The reward for them to share reward, for them to share reward for the participants in this, particular liquidity pools. So as you can see, the first liquidity pool is Ethereum and DAI. The second liquidity pool is ETH and USDC. The third liquidity pool, which I will be using as example, is USDT, ETH USDT. Then the last one is ETH and Wrapped BTC. You can add all these tokens to your MetaMask. It's easy. If you want to get Wrapped BTC, you can just go to CoinGecko, search for it, and check their Explorer, their blockchain Explorer, and copy their contract address. Come and add it directly to this wallet. So without further ado, I am going to be depositing Ethereum USDT. So I want you to watch closely how I do it. You click on deposits. When you click on deposit, say the ETH to you and USDT liquidity mining. Okay. Once you provide liquidity to this liquidity pool, you are strengthening the Uniswap, liquidity pool and their reward sharing. So you are going to be part of the governors in their pool. You decide. Decision is not being taken by one person, but everyone that has a right, that have a stake in their pool. So now what I will do is to add ETH liquidity. Immediately I will click now to bring you to this portal where they say add ETH liquidity. So I want to add a total of 485 Ethereum. I want to add a total of 485 Ethereum. But meanwhile, how much ETH do I have left in my balance? Please take note of this side. How much ETH do I have left in my balance? I have 504 ETH. So now, if I want to get if I want to get this $485, you come to CoinGecko. Let me refresh so that I will get the exact amount of ETH I want to put. So I want to put 495. Okay, let me say I want to put $450 worth of ETH into the liquidity pool. So I just type 450 here. I type 450 here. So it will give me the exact amount that I want to add. Control A. It will give me the exact amount that I want to add. Control C. It will give me the exact amount that I want to add. Then I go back to the Uniswap pool. Then I add this exact amount of Ethereum. Paste. You can see it gave me 451 self. Now this is exactly 400. This is exactly my balance, as you can see. And the amount which I copied from here. Take note, the amount which I copied from here.
Actually,
please mute yourself. Nuruddin Ajala. Mute your volume, please. So the amount I copied from here, this exact amount is 450. You get? So on this, it's 450. So on this Uniswap pool, immediately I added this 450. Each gave me the exact amount which I want to stake. So your USDT should not be bigger than your Ethereum. It should not be more than your Ethereum. Your USDT should not be bigger, more than your Ethereum. So now that I have this, I have at least 485. That is, I think, around 451 in total, everything. So I'm still going to have some balance there. So it's all good. If you can hear me, please kindly indicate on the Zoom chat box. Some persons say they are not hearing me. Maybe it's network from your own side. All right. So I'll be getting a share pool of 0.01. Some persons got a share pool of 0.03. Some persons get, but me, I'm coming late, so I'll be getting a share pool of 0.01. So what you will do now is to approve USDT. Once I click approve, it will take me to my MetaMask. Gang. It will take me to my MetaMask. So they are charging me 9 ETH to complete this transaction. So I don't want to use exactly 9 ETH. I want a fast transaction. You can advance and change it. I want a fast transaction, a very fast. Let me put 500. Let me put 500.
I don't see anything, I beg.
I want a fast transaction, safe.
We
Sorry, you are
anything.
not. Sorry, you are not
You
seeing
can't
it.
see your screen, Baba.
Yeah, yes, Uniswap. Zoom is not showing it. It's not allowing you guys to see it. Sorry. Then I'll confirm.
Ah, wow.
Sorry. So I have confirmed. I was able to edit the gas fee that I want to use. So I added this. Is showing approving USDT. Now I'm waiting for it to approve. Please mute yourself as you are joining the Zoom. Please mute yourself. Irene and Father. Mute yourself, please. Now, who is drawing this thing now? I beg you with Almighty God. Stop drawing it. I beg. Respect yourself now. You are not a baby. You are just drawing as if you are a kid. Are we playing here?
That's nice.
Some persons are tired. Siam, USDT approved. It has been approved. So now they are telling me now to supply. Please mute yourself as you are joining. Rich Ben. Rich Ben, mute yourself. Mute yourself, please. I will delete it from the group chat. All right, I don't send them away. Please, guys, mute yourself as you are joining. Mute your volume as you are joining now. Please, who is making that noise? Now, mute yourself. Mr. Father, you are leaving the Zoom, Sha. Please mute yourself as you are joining. Okay. So now, they have approved my USDT in the save. They have approved it now. So what I need to do, I need to supply. I need to click on supply. Once I click on supply, that is USDT and Ethereum. USDT per Ethereum. Okay, this is just the conversion. So once I click on supply, I have supply to the liquidity pool. Sorry, you cannot see this side of the screen. You cannot see this side of the screen, okay? All right, I will supply. Gas fee is high, oh, Jesus Christ. $33. Well, I have supplied liquidity to the liquidity pool. So I am waiting for it to be approved. They say by adding liquidity, you will earn 0.3. You earn 0.3 of all trades on the pair, pair proportional to your share of the pool. Fees are added to the pool, accrue in real time, and can be claimed by withdrawing your liquidity. So you can claim your whatever you have in the pool anytime, any day, your liquidity that you provided to the pool anytime, any day without any hitch, okay? So that is it. I've supplied. So I'm waiting for it to, it's still pending, as you can see from here. It's still pending. The first one is approved. Look at the first one, the USDT approved. Now the Ethereum, I'm waiting for the Ethereum to be approved. See, transaction confirmed. The transaction have been confirmed. So I have completely supplied liquidity. You can see it here. They have marked good in the boat. If you did not see it like this on your own, just to know that you have done the wrong thing. So you can actually take back your Ethereum any day, anytime. You can take back your USDT anytime, any day. So guys, I am done with that. I have completed. You can see my wallet. There is nothing left inside my wallet again. There is nothing left inside my wallet again. I think it's just $20. I will use that one for gas fee. I will use that for gas fee. So if you have any question, please just ask. That is it. That is it. That's all. My position. Look at my current position now in the liquidity pool. My current position in the liquidity pool, you know, your share, I'll be having 0.004%. Some persons own are even bigger. So what why I'm even providing this liquidity pool is for me to participate in the share, the second wave today that is coming. Whatever amount that they will be sharing, I want to participate. I want to receive from there too. So if you have any question, I have less than 9 minutes to round off this Zoom meeting. If you have any question, please ask on the Zoom chat box. Please, can you explain the Midas? Must we buy 300 Midas to burn out? Yes, you need at least 300. You need 350 Midas, but 300 Midas will be taken out of your wallet for burnout, okay? And you'll be left with 50. You can add more Midas later if you have. So what I advise most of us that get this airdrop, go and activate your Midas burnout. Take some part of it and activate your Midas burnout. Okay, someone is asking, Damilare Kainde is asking, there is a place where they told us to deposit our uni. Well, they have different liquidity pool which you can deposit. You can deposit uni, you can deposit ETH. I just showed you guys with the liquidity pools. If you click on this uni, you are going to see the liquidity pool where to provide liquidity. You can see all where to provide liquidity. So this is the participating pools. Look at it clearly, participating pools. Okay, people are asking of Midas. Okay, where can we see our process of earning, sir? Before you can see that, you have to take back your liquidity. Then everything that you have accrued in the system will be given back to you. Everything that you have given back. Please, bro, send us a video on WhatsApp. Okay, please send us the videos on WhatsApp. So, guys, those that want to buy Midas, okay, let me quickly wrap up on Midas. Those that want to get Midas, you need at least $400 to spend on Midas. Midas currently is selling at one. If you had bought it in the morning when I called Midas, you would have been in profit right now because I called it at $1.003, and currently is selling at $1.03. That is huge profit alone if you had buy Midas in the morning, and this could possibly go up. As you can see, people's reaction for Midas is 100% to tell you how important this coin is. Everybody is buying for the long. Okay, so if you want to, if you need at least $400 to spend. $400 will give. Oh, it's even more than $400 now. You can even buy 300 Midas with $400 now. At least let's say $500. For you to be able to activate burnout. So you can see, you can buy Midas from Crex24. I sent my Crex24 link. If you're on any of our platform, join. You can just ask. I'm going to send it again on our platform. And for those that want to join my inner Kakos, those that want to, I call it inner Kakos. I'm sorry who it may be offending, the name inner Kakos, I don't know. But to those that want to join my premium group, okay, you can call me or you can chat me directly on WhatsApp. My number is +234 813 6460 408. And you can also chat me at +234 8100 47 3930. If you want to join my inner Kakos, my premium group, okay? My premium group is $1,000 to be part of my premium group, and you are going to get you are going to get a full benefit of your participation. If you do not get back your money in the next, if you do not make up more than the money you used to subscribe for the Inner Calculus, my premium group, in 3 months' time, I will refund your money back to you. I will refund your money back to you. If you not get back the value of your money in 3 months, come back, I will refund whichever money you pay. Yes. If you do not get it back, you are going to be refunded in 3. You are going to be refunded back your money. So guys, you will buy your Midas from Crex24. You send BTC to your Crex24. You search for BTC and you send to Crex24. Okay. Once you send to Crex24, you buy your Midas. You buy your Midas from Crex24. You come to their exchange, their market here. This is where you find Midas. You search for Midas here. After you've successfully deposited BTC, you come and search for Midas here. Midas, and you will buy from the selling wall. Okay, that person that is writing for me, don't worry. Next time you will not write again. Thank you. You buy from the selling wall. You buy from those that are selling, and you come and send it to your Midas. What you just need to do when you can see any for 49% ROI, about 50% return on investment. Man, this is huge, man. This is huge. So guys, once you want to activate your burnout, you just come and click the burnout here. It will take you to the portal. I've already activated mine, so you cannot see the portal again. If I click burnout, once you click on the burnout, it will take you to where details. Once you click on these details, it will ask you to deposit some Midas before you can be able to activate burnout. It will ask you to deposit some Midas for you to be able to activate burnout. So as you can see, I've been earning Midas over the year. This is an investment for me, and this investment has been paying me Midas, as you can see, paying me again and again and again every day. So guys, that is it. If you have any further question, just ask. In the next 3 minutes, the Zoom meeting will be over. Within the space of how many days will we get back our capital and profit? I don't know. All I know is that Midas is a gem coin. You buy today, tomorrow you could be in pool of wealth, just like BTRS. BTRS was selling for less than $1, and today BTRS is selling for over $300. So Midas have a lot of potential, and currently is selling for just less than $2, let's say $1. You can buy it now and accumulate this coin. You can stock it now. The best thing for you to be earning passively in Midas platform is for you to activate burnout. All right, tomorrow, it's only when you can activate burnout. That's when you'll be able to get referral link. So before you sign up, I'm going to be pasting the referral link on the Zoom chat box. So if you want to sign up on Midas, okay, you can just use my referral link. Okay, you can use my referral link. So that is it, guys. If you have any question within the space of how many, I don't know how many months. It's not how many months. Midas is for life. Once you activate it, it's for life. What does burnout do? The burnout, Midas are going to burn at least 98% of their tokens so as to make the value of their token go up. The value of their token rise. So they are burning out some particular amount of their token. I think it's 98%. So we are still in the early stage of the burnout. So if you participate now, you'll be earning from every burnout people do. People burnout that people do, and you earn some percentage. So guys, this meeting is over. I'll see you guys in the next Zoom meeting. Thanks for joining. I appreciate you guys. All right. In the night, I'll be doing in the midnight by 10 to 12. I'll be doing another Zoom call and explaining more things. So if you're awake, you can join us in the next Zoom. Thanks for joining. I love you all. See you in the next Zoom chat. Have a great night. Bye.